Hey everyone, welcome back. So if your Grindr account has been banned and you're not sure why or how to fix it, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step what to do if your Grindr account gets banned and how to possibly recover it. So for that, first of all, you will need to understand why accounts get banned. Grindr may ban account for violating community guidelines that include appropriate photos, harassment, spams, or using third-party mods. Sometimes the bans are automatic and triggered by reports, even if you didn't actually break the rules. So, check your inbox or email from Grindr. They usually send a ban notification with a brief explanation. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder too. So after that, you want to go ahead and simply open up your settings and then clear the Grindr cache. Go ahead and tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, scroll below, then search for Grindr application and then tap onto it. Go ahead and tap on Upload app, then tap on Upload app again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the storage used by the app and will also help you to clear the cache. Once you're done, go ahead and reinstall the application again. After you have done that, make sure your application is up to date. Simply open up your app store and then search for Grindr. Go ahead and tap onto it, and if you see update instead of open, simply tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. So once you have done that, if you're still having problems, head back to your home screen, open up your browser, and then in the search bar, simply search for help.grindr.com. So once you search for it, go ahead and submit a request. Go ahead and search for ban appeal from the drop down and fill in your details, your device, email, username if known, and explain your case politely and clearly. If it was a mistake, let them know. So after submitting, wait for a reply. It can take a few days. Don't submit multiple requests, it won't speed things up and might delay your case. Also, if Grindr decides not to unban your account, unfortunately, there's no official appeal beyond that. If you still want to use the app, you will need to set up a new account. But make sure to use a different email or phone number and ideally a different device to avoid detection. If you would like to avoid getting banned again, always follow the app rule, keep content appropriate, don't spam, and don't use third-party modified application. Staying respectful is the best way to keep your account safe. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.